Back to BlueWhaleCrypto. Today in this video, I'll be providing you a detailed information about the Bitcoin, the secret move of the Bitcoin that could possibly come in the upcoming days or upcoming hours. What is that is going inside the market? Why there are so many FUDs? And even though if there are so many FUDs, can we see an upward retracement of the Bitcoin? I will be explaining you every single thing in this video, so do make sure to watch this video till the end because it's going to be very informative for you guys as you can generate a lot of profit. Without wasting any more time, I want you to guys to like this video and let me know in the comment section if this video is really knowledgeable for you or you guys are making any profit out of my videos. Let's get into it, guys. So first thing that I'm talking about right now, the Bitcoin in the 4 hourly time frame, in which I still believe the Bitcoin has been trading inside the falling wedge. While the rest of the market has been thinking other way around, we know what was supposed to happen in the Fed meeting because of the news is that we were getting before the Fed meeting, right? And we took the advantage of it. We took the advantage of it, and probably we made a lot of profit by shorting the market at the right moment. Previously, I informed you if you are getting an opportunity in this range, if I see a rejection in this range, I probably gonna be looking for a short opportunity inside the price of Bitcoin. And yes, I did shorted the Bitcoin. I did shorted some of the altcoin that were breaking down, and we have generated a lot of profit out of it. You already know that, guys. But now, after a great consolidation, this is forming a bullish momentum, a hidden bullish diversion. Okay, so what we are watching out right now, it's a hidden bullish diversion. And as well as what is giving us more confirmation is that the RSI is right now below 30. Okay, below 30. The last time when the RSI went below 30, it was this range. Okay, it was this range. Let me just mark it out for you guys. It was this range. Okay, and the RSI went below 30. It consolidated for a bit. It went up to 28, 29, and we saw a good pump inside the price of Bitcoin. Similarly, I still believe while the whole of the market, the more the funding rate will gonna go negative, that there are more chances that we will be bouncing off the support area that is nearly around $21,400 to $500 to $21,700. As I informed you previously, these are three ranges in which you need to accumulate Bitcoin. I'm still having the same bias for the Bitcoin, guys. I'm still having the same bias until I told you. Until when we are going to be flipping bearish, I'm also going to explain you that we will be flipping bearish once we are getting a confirmation, we are getting a break below the previous low, the break below this pink box, that is $21,400 to $21,700. This is an accumulation zone for me, at least for the short term period. I believe there could be a bullish rally, there could be a relief rally at least, in which we can generate a lot of profit out of this movement, right? Why I'm saying this, let me take you back and make you understand why I'm thinking this is a good area of support for the Bitcoin. Let me take you to the 4 hourly time frame so we can all understand why is that. So previously you can see this is the same area. We have got rejections, we have got rejections, we have got rejections, we again got rejection in this zone. Okay, what happened after that? Okay, let me so the previously as I shown you previously, all this time we were getting rejection from this area. We have got multiple rejections, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then after it had flipped into a support. Once the resistance once this resistance has been broken, it has flipped into a support. So on the temporary premises, if even if the market is bearish, even if the most of the Telegram channels, most of the YouTubers are bearish right now, I'm still bullish, and I'll be taking some long opportunities. I'll be looking for some to buy inside the spot, some of them inside the some alts as well. If you also want some free signals, more free signals today, all you need to do is, I want free signal on Telegram. You just need to write it down. Every single person who is gonna more, the more I will see comments, the more I'll be providing you free signals, guys. Okay, so make sure about it. Coming up, these kind of, let me tell you one more thing, guys. This information will not gonna be provided to you guys from any other YouTuber. Okay, no other person 4 days back was providing you this information about this falling wedge. When I've been talking about it many times, many YouTubers started talking about the same. So I have no offense with them, but let me tell you guys, this kind of information will come out from the authentic people, okay, who know the ground level of the Bitcoin, of the crypto market. So I do know that what's coming. I probably could be wrong, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but with what I'm doing, I'm just trying to let you know. Coming up with the next, what the majority of the people are watching right now. Okay, what is the majority of the people are watching? The majority of the people are watching right now, they are seeing that this trend line is being broken, right? You can also see that this trend line is being broken, but you have to consider multiple things at the same time. Even though this trend line has been broken, okay, what we are watching out, that we have multiple supports nearby, and this is one of the major supports that had the previous resistance that had flipped as a support. So I believe we can see a good bounce. At least if not, then we can retest this zone of $22,500. So if you even scalping for a $21,500 to $22,500, you are getting a good amount of profit, guys. You just need to understand where to take an entry and where to get out of your trades. However, if we are able to break above the zone of $22,500 to $22,600, in that case, we can see a upper retracement. We can see a good upside move inside the price of Bitcoin. So if you have a good entry, you can probably hold it with partial amount booking up, and the rest of the amount you can hold it, guys. So this is the same range of $22,600 as I informed you. As I also informed you right here, this is a resistance from a different perspective. Here also you can see that on a horizontal level, we are getting one more resistance area that was previously working as a support. So you need to analyze multiple things, and that's how you can become a beneficiary, profitable trader, guys. This kind of information only gonna be getting you will only gonna get it on the BlueWhaleCrypto, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel as of now, it is, you are wasting a lot of time of yours, you're wasting a lot of money, energy, because every single thing will be carried out for you guys by your Mr. Whale. Okay, guys, so do make sure to subscribe to the channel, do make sure to like this video and show your love in the comment section. Coming up with the next, that is very beautiful thing that can possibly happen, that I think is that not other people in the market are right now watching. So this is the support, this is the left shoulder, this is the right, this is the head, and we are possibly going to be creating a right shoulder, guys. What if we are not able to go further upside about the previous high, or about 23 or $24,000? In that case, what we are supposed to do, $24,000 to $24,000 to 23,900 will be a limitation range for the Bitcoin. Why is that? Because in that case, if we are getting a rejection from the zone, I again gonna open up shorts. This is very secretive information, guys. No trader, no YouTuber, no Telegram channel will try to provide you these information, because they want to sell the things up. I'm here to educate you guys. I'm here to let you know how to deal with the market, how to take your trades, and how to be beneficiary with your trades, guys. So एक लाइक तो जरूर बनता है, guys. Let's get into it. This is, so that's why I'm trying to build a position. I'll be providing you a perfect signal for the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I also recently shared one scalping signal. Okay, guys, even the scalping signals that I'm providing you, I'm putting up the stop loss very tight, so that, because every other Telegram channel you will have a stop loss of 20-30%. With the leverage you take, it's gonna be, you are gonna blow your account, guys. I don't want to do that, guys. I'm gonna change the dynamics of the cryptocurrency, we will be making a lot of profit, guys. You just need to support me, guys. If I grow big, you're gonna grow big, guys. Just remember that. So let's get back to the thing that I was talking about, that Bitcoin most probably is gonna be taking a support. It might gonna can consolidate like a previous time. It can consolidate in this zone, okay? In this zone, it can make you frustrating for a certain while. It can do that, okay? Until unless we are not getting a break below this, we should not get bearish. At the support, we should not get bearish, right? That's simple logic, guys. So if we are getting a bounce, we might gonna be making a good sums of profit, because we are gonna have a very good entry point. What if you are losing the support? In that case, you can simply put your stop loss at 21,000. You can build your position. I'll be providing you the exact entry and exit points. All you need to do is, I want a signal about Bitcoin and Ethereum on the Telegram, and I will be posting it right away, guys. Okay, coming up with the next, that is going to be Ethereum. Ethereum on a 4 hourly time frame is now reaching to the point that I was discussing with you guys previously. So if I just remove this so that you can so I can make you show that what exactly happened. See, guys, I'll make you understand what exactly happened. So the support area that I have built, you can see right at that support blue zone, we have got a bounce back this morning. Okay, it might can come retest to this zone, but this is the zone in which we will be looking for the long opportunities inside the price of Ethereum, guys. Okay, so that's very simple. Again, we can see such kind of movement. Again, we can see such kind of movement below this. But moreover, every single thing needs to be, we need to be optimistic with the market. If the market is changing drastically, we will be taking the trades accordingly. Okay, guys, if there is anything other than that we are thinking, we will surely gonna flip bearish, and we will be taking the trades according to that, guys. But the point is, here the risk is less, the reward is pretty more. Okay, guys, coming up with the last thing that I will talk about in this video is OP that I provided you signal this morning. Why we have taken it, let me also explain you about it. So I have taken you on the 1 hourly time frame before taking in the, because I do multiple analysis so that you can get the perfect information why we are taking this trade. So previously you can see this area of OP had worked as a huge support previously. Okay, you can see that multiple times it had touched this level, but we have got bounces. Again, it's testing the same level. Now let me take you on the 1 hourly time frame, and what we are watching is, even in the 1 hourly you can see there is a double bottom pattern. Okay, now there is one more trend line. This trend line will act as a resistance. So within this zone we can book our profits. If we are getting a break above the zone, in that case we can see a good momentum inside the price of OP, and we can reach to the old highs. But for the scalping premises, as I'm these days more focused, because you guys have a demand that you guys need signals on daily basis, so I'm trying to provide that, in which the losses are very less and the reward is pretty high. So the previously all the signals that I have provided you on my Telegram channel, all of them have given you huge profit, guys. Even in this trade you can see the risk versus to reward is 1:2, which will be very great. Okay, so we are holding this trade with a tight stop loss, and I believe we can generate a huge sums of profit from this one as well if the market is working accordingly. 5% of stop loss with a 12-13%, 12%, 12.50% of a profit, which is twice. So 1:2, simple math, guys. Okay, this is how you trade. Let me take you to my Telegram, where you can see this is the Yafi signal that I posted in my Telegram. A premium signal. This was a premium signal. You can see right after our entry, it had dumped pretty well, which had given us immense amount of profit in the previous days, guys. This is the OP trade that I posted this morning. You can see all the important information why the market is dumping. Every single thing is being provided to you guys on a daily basis, guys. So do make sure to join my Telegram group, because at that place you will be getting a lot of information about the market, every single thing would be there. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Until then, do make sure to watch this my other videos, and as well as to comment in this video, guys. Bye bye.